Hello guys. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a catalog in Shopify, step by step. Whether you're setting up a new online store or refining an existing one, creating a well-structured catalog is essential for showcasing your products effectively and helping customers quickly find what they're looking for. So let's dive in and make sure your store is organized, professional, and enticing for your visitors. To begin, we'll start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a panel with several options. Look for Online Store and click on it. Once you're there, locate the Pages option. This is where you'll create a new page specifically for your catalogs. Think of this new page as a dedicated space where all your product selections can be displayed seamlessly, especially as your store grows and your inventory expands. When naming this page, choose something clear and straightforward that accurately reflects the type of products you'll be showcasing. Using simple descriptive titles also helps with navigation and search visibility. Once you've created your new page for the catalogs, our next step takes us to the Content section on the left panel. Under this section, you'll find an option named Menus. Click on it. Within the Menus interface, you'll want to add your catalog options. These are essentially the categories or product types that you want to feature under your catalog page, such as collections, seasonal items, or bestsellers. To keep things organized, you'll need to arrange these options as child menu items under a main category titled Catalogs. This hierarchy is crucial because it ensures that your site's navigation remains clean and intuitive, making it easier for customers to browse and discover products without feeling overwhelmed. After organizing your menu items, it's time to link them to the specific page we created earlier. This step connects the dots between your main catalog page and the individual product categories, creating a clear and logical path for users to explore your offerings. Navigate back to the menu editor and make sure each catalog option is linked to the corresponding section on your new page. This step is important for maintaining a seamless user experience, as customers will appreciate being directed to the right information without unnecessary clicks or confusion. With your menus linked, our final task is to refine the appearance of your catalog pages. Head over to the site editor, where you can customize the layout and design of the newly created catalog pages to match your brand identity. Here, you have the freedom to add different catalog types depending on the diversity of your product range. You can experiment with grids, featured collections, or highlighted products. Use vivid images and detailed descriptions to captivate your audience. Remember, the more visually appealing and informative your catalog is, the more likely your customers are to engage with it, stay longer on your site, and make purchases. And just like that, we're done. You've successfully created a catalog in Shopify, streamlining the shopping experience for your customers. This straightforward setup not only enhances your store's organization, but also boosts your potential sales by making navigation intuitive and engaging. Thank you for following along, and happy selling!